Lesson 4. Changing the image of the background screen. Hello, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In this 4th lesson, you will learn how to add a new image to the background of a scene, allowing you to create more visually appealing projects. Take a moment to examine the plain white background of the scene. To change it, click on the Background button located at the top of the screen. A variety of background images will be displayed. Select the one you would like to use and then click on the Validation button at the top of the screen. Notice how your project now displays the background you selected. It looks more engaging, doesn't it? With this new background, your projects or stories will become much more attractive. Now it's your turn to launch Scratch Junior. Open a new project. Add a new image to the background and introduce a new sprite. Add some blocks to make the sprite move across the background. Thank you for watching this lesson, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more resources.